here in Graham, North Carolina at Dixon Family Farm. It's going to be one load of these Holstein steers. It will be all steers. These steers have had one round of Bovishield Gold 5, one round of Ultra Back 7. They've been worm Ivermectin injectable. Steers are on pasture grass, getting a little bit of silage and grain. But a very, very nice set of steers. Steers are going to be weighing 900 pounds. The day we videoed them, they weighed 886. They will be loaded on a truck with 2% shrink, $6 topside only. They are two red, white Holsteins in the deal. This time will be black. Again, the Holsteins will be weighed on the truck, 2% shrink. Truck scales are about 5 miles from the farm. There'll be one load of these Holstein steers from Dixon Family Farms, located in Graham, North Carolina. All the steers have one round of Bovishield Gold. They've had one round of Ultra Back 7. They have been wormed with Ivermectin injectable. All the Holsteins will be pure Holsteins. There are two red and white Holsteins on the deal. The rest of them will be black and white. Holstein will be weighed on the truck with 2% shrink. $6 topside only. These steers will be offered for sale in the June max sale. Delivery date will be as soon as possible. We'd like to have at least a 48 hours notice to load them by. Steers are weighing, they'll be based at 900 pounds. They weighed 886 pounds when we filmed them the week before the sale. Cattle on pasture grass, getting some silage and a little bit of corn grain on top of their silage. A big, nice set of growthy Holstein steers coming from Dixon Family Farms, located in Graham, North Carolina. Again, there are two red and white Holsteins. The rest will be black and white. Cattle will be offered for sale at 900 pounds with a 925 pound weight stop. You'll see a very, very nice set of Holstein steers for sale on the June max sale.